Hi.
What's up? I'm tired. Can I go to sleep?
Why not?
Why are you? Come on. Come join the party. Oh, yeah, by the way, ladies first.
Oh, she's scared?
Lexi.
Speak up.
Lexi?
Say hi.
Hi.
And you are?
Jamil.
Jamil. That's Chris.
Hey, Chris.
No, that's Chris. No, that's Chris.
You're Chris.
He's Chris. No, that's Tony.
You're Chris.
No, that's Chris. That's Tony. Whatever. What's your name?
I'm Nicole.
You got a friend?
I know she's
Hey. Why are you on your phone?
I'm recording.
Boring.
Insurance purposes.
Oh, okay. He's recorded for insurance. What do you think's gonna happen? You jumped. Don't trip. Can I take this under your feet? Thanks. Appreciate it. What's your name? That's Tony.
Yo, let's get Tony.
No, that's Chris.
No, that's Tony.
That's Chris.
You
He's
are.
the stuff that he's
That's Tony.
and he's the weird dude.
No, I'm Tiny.
No, you're Chris.
No,
this
Tiny.
is Tom.
Tiny.
Your name?
Haley.
Haley. I don't like it.
Okay.
Oh.
Pick a new name. 5 seconds.
Jennifer.
No.
That's my mom's name. Oh.
No one asked you.
That's okay. That's my mom's name too.
One more chance.
I don't know. What's
Karen.
your name? Okay.
That's Karen, everybody.
Oh.
You met Karen?
Hi, Karen.
Nice to meet you.
Say your name.
I'm Amanda.
There you go. Say hi to Amanda.
Hi, Amanda.
I think I know you from
I don't
somewhere.
care. Can you move your foot?
A little bit.
Thanks. I'm gonna stand over here in the corner like you. I'm gonna hide. Are you scared? Get your pants.
Back in the day.
I think you have. Smell it a little. It's a little weird. I'm gonna stand beside you now. All right. Would you like to do me a favor?
What's that?
Will you stand in the middle?
You want to make
All
a...
right, everybody. Listen up. This is Tony. Okay, come here. Both of you stand right here. We're gonna figure this out. What's your name?
Tony.
Tony. What's your name?
Tony.
Tony. See? That's Tony. All right, everybody.
You're Chris.
These are the Tonys. Okay? Okay?
Okay.
Guy.
It's their birthday.
Happy birthday.
We're gonna sing. Right now. Sing happy birthday.
I just lost my voice. Happy birthday
To me.
Happy birthday, dear Tony.
Happy birthday to you. All right, go back to your spots. Was that fun?
That was.
What about you, Tony?
I'm sorry?
Was that fun?
Oh, yes, very.
All right, good. It's his birthday, right? Yes. See? It's his birthday. Can I sit here? All right, cool. I was gonna do it anyway. How are you today? Good. You know that's Karen?
Yeah.
And that's Amanda? I didn't hear you sing.
Better get your hearing checked.
No, you need to sing. Sing. One verse. You're a loser. Not very nice. You're gonna upset the Tonys. You don't upset the Tonys.
It's Tony and Chris.
Be quiet.
Tony and Chris. Get it right.
One verse. Come on, lady.
Exactly.
I don't know.
No, wait.
Sing to Tony.
Tony.
Will you sing for her?
Sure. What do you want me to sing?
Happy birthday.
That's it?
Yeah.
Well, that's easy. You sure?
Yes.
Happy birthday to you.
To Tony.
Happy birthday to Tony. Happy birthday to Chris.
That's Tony.
No, that's Chris.
No, that's Tony.
That's Chris.
Say Tony.
Birthday to Tiny.
It's not my birthday.
I thought it was.
No.
When's your birthday?
I don't know.
Come on, you got a birthday.
I don't
I
think
really
he
don't
has
know.
a birthday. It looks like he's
I
been
just-
dead a while.
Oh,
I just
haven't
appeared.
had a birthday in a while. That's why you thank you.
It's true. I just showed up one day. I haven't left. I don't know why. I think it's his fault.
Insurance purposes.
That's why. He's keeping me here.
Follow me on YouTube.
Right, Tony? See, he agrees. Be quiet. Hey,
That's
lady.
Chris.
Go ahead. Hey. What's your name? Hey. All right, good. Hey, Tony, you might want to move. Like a little more. Thanks. You too.
Bye, mister.
Get out.
Hold, wait on me over there.
They say, well, we're gonna get together.